adventure.
Hello.
Hello.
It's Monday, January 26th.
What?
I know.
Jeez.
It's past the first of the year.
What happens?
I've not been getting much video because we've been doing a lot of other stuff other than the camper, and there's been holiday socializing and getting ready for our trip to India and Bhutan and end of year business filing, and
Beginning of year,
there
making
was
sure everything else is on board.
there was some cold weather that just kind of knocked us on our
Yeah,
butts
it's
where
just
we
like,
didn't
I'm
do
not
anything.
going out there. Oh, look, it's cold and it's rainy.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
anyway,
So we've been making a little bit of progress the last few days. Not a whole lot, but a little bit. Mainly the door. So the door is installed, got the hinges on it, and so at an angle, and with the way this wall was, we just didn't, it was just a mess.
so he had to tear out a bunch of stuff before putting in new stuff, but he's got a nice tight fit.
So the door that we built, look, it clears the way we planned, so that's good.
Yay.
That came
And
together.
you may remember with this door, we ended up thinking that it was supposed to be thicker. And then when it came to install, we realized that it was too thick.
Yeah. I should have turned the 1x2s on end, and it should have been a lot thinner than what it was.
But we made it work.
Yeah.
With a shower.
It's still about half the weight of the original one.
Oh, yeah, because
At least.
the other one was waterlogged so bad. It was probably carrying 30 pounds worth of water. But we improvised.
Mm-hmm.
We used a shower sliding door.
Just to cap the inside to kind of...
To give it something a little harder than just wood, because doors do get heavy and they get a lot of wear. Yeah. So that, and then he changed all of this.
We did the door jamb here, tore out part of this wall, put all of this back, and then kind of realigned things to where now...
Shuts really good.
And I'm shaking the whole camper.
Yeah.
Put in a header. And then slowly getting...
And a seal. Don't forget your seal that you put in.
Got the seal on the back side. And then I just need to start finishing out this inside wall, because you can see through here.
Yeah.
So we have this whole wall to put back together. And now that most all the
electric
is run. Got the sink put in yesterday.
Oh, that's right. You did.
Got the...
Oh, and look how nice and clean he did all of it. So look at all this space that we're going to have underneath the sink.
Yeah, because it used to hang down to
here
before.
So that's awesome.
Most of the water lines are put together except for the sink that we're about to do. So hopefully I can get that done and pressure test the water system, and then I'll be able to check the hot water heater after that, because it's no telling what I'm going to find with that.
Well, everything. We find a few things with everything, but that's okay.
And then slowly getting all of the electric buttoned up here. I got this panel at least temporarily put in. This is the pump switch, and then check for all the tanks for the fluid levels.
We might put the sniffer in there.
Yeah, I'll put the sniffer in down here once we order it and get it in. But this will be kind of
That'll be nice.
Keep everything all in one place and out of the way, next to the power distribution.
And I'm probably going to paint the power distribution to match the walls to kind of make it go away. And then the drawers will go on top of all of that.
I'm going to finish out a cabinet here just to keep stuff that might come loose or fall out of the drawers, possibly to keep them off the electric, and to kind of blockade it from maybe potentially any water things, just to kind of keep electric away from everything else. So
it's coming along, and it really is. I mean, it doesn't feel like it's going to be forever, does it?
No, I think it's making some nice progress.
Good job. I'm so proud of you.
Still have this wall to seal up and everything, but I think that'll go pretty quick.
I think it will too. Yeah. And you've tackled some of the hardest
stuff over the last few days.
Yeah. So, yay! It's going to be cool. I think it's going to be cool. Always an adventure?
Always.
That's it for this Lake Calamita update. We're so glad you hung out with us. If you enjoy unique projects like this, you need to explore the rest of our channel. We're not just about flipping this RV. We're all about adventure, creativity, incredible food, and turning trash to treasure. We've got videos on our travels all over the world, our deep love for animal conservation, and fun DIY projects that cover everything from house flipping, RV renovation, to furniture flipping. We even have a bunch of videos showcasing our personal artwork. And for those who love a good theme, you'll find our passion for cooking, party planning, and theming in videos of themed dinners and cake decorating. I even FaceTime cook with my 88-year-old dad once a month. If you've got a curious brain, our channel is definitely the place for you. Hit the subscribe button, explore our travel and renovation playlist, and we'll catch you on our next adventure.